Nakini ki nouns, kidon tylli ki nouns kiba ngiju pyndonkam bakla barobor. Kita kidai ki countable but ki uncountable nouns. Aling in page southly ki Jingbakla kiba ngiju lab habangi pyndonkam yaki countable but uncountable nouns. Ka Jingbakla ka badingkong kadai bangi Klet don pyndonkam ya ka article a lani an habangi pyndonkam yaki singular noun. Aling in page katu kani tili ki Jingbakla hakapor bangi pyndonkam ya ki singular noun.
My brother is engineer. My brother is an engineer. She became doctor. She became a doctor. We need accountant. We need an accountant.
Kumba pila banyo I hakini kinuksa ngi pyndonkam ya ki article a but an shua ki singular noun. Ka article an ngin pyndonkam shua ki kyntien basdang daki vowel. For example, an accountant, an engineer, an internet connection, an oak tree, an umbrella. Ka Jingbakla ka baar kadai bangi Klet banbu s haki plural nouns. Hakapor bangi kren ngiju bakla bunsien ha kaba ngi pyndonkam yaki plural noun. Alingin pej.
There are 5 members in my family. There are 5 members in my family. I have many friends. I have many friends. We visited 3 places. We visited 3 places.
Ka Jingbakla ka balai kadai ka Jingkulmar ban pyndonkam ya ki kyntien many but much. Ka kyntien many ngi pyndonkam but ki countable nouns. Ka kyntien much but ngi pyndonkam but ki uncountable nouns. Alingin persyang ban pendap ya kini ki senten da ki kyntien much but many.
I don't have much time. She doesn't eat much rice. The teacher gave us many assignments. I have told you many times. How much is the area of the land? How many members are there in your family?
Ka Jingbakla ka basaw. Kidon ki nouns kiba ngimdon ka banbu s ladang ipan kala siya ka plural noun. Tiki kita ki nouns kiba long upta alingin ipej. Ki plural nouns kiba ngim jubu s kilong kumni. Kidon pan ki kyntien ki badai uncountable kiba ngim labat penkala syaka plural noun. Kita kidai rengkat bat kini ki kyntien ngiju pyndonkam ya ki kyntien a lot of, some, much. Ngiju ongru a loaf of bread, a glass of water, a liter of milk, a cup of tea. Rengkat bat kini ki uncountable noun ngi juong. I need a piece of paper. I bought a piece of furniture. I will give you a piece of advice. I have a lot of work to do. I gained a lot of knowledge from my teacher. There's a lot of traffic today. Do you need some help? Tinga remember pila syai halor kini ki Jingbakla ki bangi julap barabor ha ki countable but uncountable nouns. Lara pidon kini ki jingkli smoba ban bu yaki ha ki comments harum. Bawa num Klet ban like, share, but subscribe kini ke channel jongan. Minta kasih tangkat ni, publish bun, ngin saya kendopan.